Okay, prepping the Miniflex for doing the field term connector. You mark your 60 millimeter and 13 millimeter on the Miniflex. You can use the 3 millimeter notch in the stripper to carefully score and remove the jacket. The 13 millimeter point here is where you cut the Kevlar. Use the 3 millimeter hole again to score the jacket, snap it off, fold the Kevlar back, gently push the 900 micron fiber back into the jacket. At this point, you'll mark at the 0 point and the 11 millimeter, with that being your strip length. And for the best strip results, use the middle notch on the stripper to remove just the 900 micron, the yellow 900 micron jacket. You do it by placing it over the fiber, firmly close it but not real tight, and pull it straight off. And do it in small 8 or 10 millimeter chunks at a time, where you're just removing the 900 micron. So it'll take about 5 or 6 strips to get back. Okay, now you use the smaller hole, the smallest hole in the stripper, to remove the acrylate coating. Remove the acrylate coating. Now the fiber is ready to clean and cleave. The end.